Today we are making a paper airplane called the Arrow. And then my name is Lucas. Today it starts off like all the other airplanes we've made. Well, not exactly, but we take the two corners and fold those just to the middle. But to help you make sure it's to the middle, you can fold it in half first. And then you fold it, and then it should be along that line to make sure you fold it to the middle if you want. And then you fold it about there, but not in, and then it should leave a mark like that. So keep it folded like that, but I just showed you the right point to fold it to. It should look like that. And then you have this. You take the two corners and fold it not quite to the ending point, but you fold it close to that point, like that. And then the same thing for the other corner. Now it should look like that, with a triangle sticking out. You take the triangle and fold it up. Then you flip it upside down and then fold it in half. Now it should look like that. And then you have it like that. You fold it, and then now it should look like that, and then you do the same thing on the other side. Now it should look like that. You fold those two flaps that you just made, and there you go. That's the Arrow. Bye!